show you how to use the brush tool in the Linearity Curve app. First you have to open up the app, and here we have document. From here we just click on the brush tool. Here we can set the thickness of it, and then we just start drawing like this. And then now what we have created will become a path, and here we have the possibility to edit it like this and make it a bit more pleasing. And yeah, you can just play around with this to your liking. And that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.